If your story only works as an article, it's already incomplete, and that's the reality of journalism in 2026. Right now, your audience isn't reading your reports, they are hearing them as podcasts in their cars, scrolling through your data as interactive infographics, and watching your investigations as a 60 to 90-second vertical videos. The truth is, media consumers don't care how hard you work to report the story, they care how clearly it shows up. And this is why journalists now have to think beyond a single format and to make sure reporting actually reaches people. I'm Titi, and today I'm showing you the exact workflow I use to turn one published analysis into four formats. We'll use the 2022 WHO malaria report on Nigeria as our case study, the same document I used in my prompt literacy and hallucination detection videos. But this time, I created a news story from the WHO report to make this video understandable. The formats we'll be creating are Instagram carousel, 60 to 90-second explainer for Reels or TikTok, a podcast, and an infographics. So each format serves a different audience and platform. Now let me show you how. Let's start with a short form video explainer for TikTok or Reels. The audience here, particularly on TikTok, is mostly younger, mobile first, and impatient. So the script has to be tight, human, and straight to the point. Using any preferred AI chatbot, you feed your story, then use these prompts to get a video script for TikTok. You are a journalist creating a 60 to 90-second video explainer for young audiences ages 18 to 35. Using the analysis below, write a clear conversational script that explains why malaria remains a major problem in Nigeria despite years of intervention. Avoid jargon, use short sentences, start with a strong hook, explain the key finding, and end with why this matters now. We'll still be making use of Gemini and the particular tab that has the malaria report. So we're going to copy and paste the prompt to get the video script for TikTok/Reels. So this is what it says. You've heard it since you were a kid. Sleep under a net. Don't let water stagnate. We've been fighting malaria in Nigeria for decades, and we've actually saved nearly 1 million lives since 2010. So why does it feel like malaria is still everywhere? Why are the numbers in our biggest cities actually going up? So to a large extent, this works for TikTok. Once you have the script, you can take it into an AI video tool or shoot the video yourself. Better still, you can check out this video I did where I turned the report into an actual video with characters, visuals, narrations using Meta AI and other tools. It's on my YouTube channel. Now let's talk about carousels for mostly Instagram but can still be used for other platforms. A good carousel doesn't dump information, it tells a story slide by slide. So again, you include your story into a preferred AI chatbot and use this prompt. You are designing a 7 to 9 slide Instagram carousel based on this analysis. Create a slide by slide outline where each slide builds curiosity and pushes the reader to swipe. Slide 1 should be a bold, curiosity driven hook. Slides 2 to 6 should unpack the key findings in simple language. The final slide should explain why this issue matters to everyday Nigerians. Write short, punchy text suitable for on-screen reading. So we take the prompts to Gemini to create a slide text for the carousel. We can of course still, use our personal thoughts, or you can as well use AI to help you to create the text. It suggests the visual to use, suggests the text to use, and then a subline to use for each of the slides. I'm not walking through the design here. I will show you the final carousel I created from this prompt. And here is it. I will do a dedicated video later on how to create carousels with AI design, layout, everything. For now, this is just seeing what's possible. Next is infographics. This is where accuracy really matters. You're not summarizing, you are extracting key information. I already have a full video where I show exactly how I build infographics from extracted data with data wrapper. Finally, audio. This is one of the easiest formats to create. Once the article is published, you can drop the link directly into Notebook LM. Again, I already have a full Notebook LM walkthrough on the channel where I show how I turned a published story into a podcast. Now, here is what I want you to do. Take one story you've done, use AI to repurpose it into any of the formats I've mentioned, then verify every fact against the original source.
Rewrite it in your voice and then publish. Of course, share with me. I would love to see it. For the previous published tutorials I mentioned, you will find the links in the description of this video. Next week is for retrieval augmented generation. That's how to feed AI your own verified documents so it doesn't make things up. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and share this with a colleague because this is very important. And see you in my next video.